So welcome back to Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. We've come over today to Stony Stratford, but first of all we're heading off for breakfast to the Super Sausage, famous bikers cafe on the A5 just north of Stony. If you've not been over to the Super Sausage, check it out. Probably the best breakfast around, always busy. So we're heading to Stony Stratford for the rerun of the classic car show that was cancelled from New Year's Day. So join us shortly as we hit the high street and have a look around what's on show. Bye for now.
I think I put it there. I remember I did manage to get it in.
Possibilities, reactions, targets. Yeah, and done it.
So what I love about this show is the sheer variety of cars that you get turning up. We just drove in from breakfast and there's literally cars all over Stony Stratford on all of the side roads. Lots of people haven't got here early enough to get parked up in the car area. We got here just after 8 o'clock and we were lucky just to get a space at the end there. So it's an incredibly busy show, obviously helped by the glorious weather. Blue sky, a rare thing in this country, but we'll take that. And the fact that it's now spring, people are back on the road, taking their cars off of Sawn and bringing them out on a day like this is perfect. So yeah.
Well, mine should be done. Are they right? If you look at the engine, it's like really dusty and there's loads of crap.
So literally the whole of the high street is closed off in Stony for the car show. We'll have a quick wander down now and see what we can see down Stony High Street. It's very busy.
I did as well.
Yeah, not.
Lovely long time.
Absolutely gorgeous Mexico here in lime green. Classic paint job from the 70s. What a beauty.
I just text Chloe.
£6,000 on the car, £1,000 in Burger King. It's all going on the boom sheet. The next customer
Now, if you didn't want your Mexico in green, how about having it in orange? Another fine example here of a 70s Mark I Escort Mexico. Look at that, beauty. So that was a quick walk down the high street. Very busy, lots of lovely cars out on show. Amazing. Thank you everybody for bringing them out to show to the public on this wonderful, glorious spring day. Let's go and have a look through now this other section just round by the old market square. So I hope you're enjoying the content on chasing cars. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please drop us a sub. We've got more shows planned this year, different genres of motoring that we're going to be getting involved in, some with our cars, some just to observe, motorsport as well. So we're now heading into the old market square, which is pre-war vehicles. Let's have a look around here. And bikes as well, lots of bikes here today.
Which has actually got the little triangle, you know, with the hole that goes through.
Other than, yeah, just being all kind of, you wait on that.
So this back car park is post-war cars. Again, it's so busy, but we'll have a quick look round. Can't believe how busy it is at Stony. It's fantastic for the organisers. Raising money for Willen Hospice, which is a local hospice here in Milton Keynes, so valuable fundraising for that organisation. And don't forget, the next Stony show will be, I think, the first Sunday in June, so have a look online for that. Similar kind of gig, Let's hope the weather's as kind to us in June.
All along the Sunday, right through where they use farm, they use farm.
It's all about Mark 1s today, isn't it? Lots of lovely examples. Another one here.
Waves enough money.
It's not a genuine, is it? Because they didn't make it. They didn't make it.
And the big one.
So a great example here of vintage motoring at Stony Stratford. Looks like a one owner car. Just heading off. Probably going to do a couple of laps around Milton Keynes, see what's about before they head off down the pub. Well done, chaps. Thanks for bringing the car. Stay safe. I don't think this particular model had launch control. I might be wrong, but we'll see. Yeah, no, it didn't have launch control. Off they go. So things are starting to quieten down now at Stony Stratford at the show. Hope you've enjoyed looking around. Hopefully you've seen something of interest. Put in the comments below what your favourite car was from the show today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider dropping a sub. More content like this coming soon. Keep chasing cars and we'll see you on an event soon. Bye for now.